Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sky on Fire. We will begin by covering the fundamental controls for flying your aircraft and engaging in combat. Then, we will explore how to choose and equip your plane with the best armaments for any mission. Finally, we will delve into different mission types and effective strategies to achieve victory. To master Sky on Fire, first grasp the controls. Use the on-screen joystick for smooth flight and precise turns. Tap the designated fire button to engage enemy aircraft with your machine guns or cannons. Remember to deploy countermeasures, like flares, by swiping up to evade missile attacks and stay safe in intense dogfights. Selecting the right aircraft and loadout is crucial for success. The game features many unique planes, each with distinct characteristics. In the Customize menu, you can equip different weapons and special abilities to suit your playstyle. Remember to upgrade your aircraft's performance to gain an edge in aerial combat. Sky on Fire offers a variety of missions, including intense dogfights and strategic bombing runs. Always understand your objective, whether it's destroying enemy bases or defending allies. Prioritize high-threat targets and use the terrain to your advantage, employing clever maneuvers to outsmart opponents and secure mission completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.